Hi guys! Today I would like to show you guys another new cookies recipe, which is healthy banana oatmeal cookies. This recipe is no egg, no butter, so it's really suitable for those who are on diet or vegetarian and even toddler. It's really soft and chewy. Okay, let's start now. At first, we're gonna need 2 medium-sized bananas. Peel off and mash. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1.5 tablespoon honey. However, if the bananas are very ripe, you don't need to add honey. And it's also not recommended for toddlers who are under 15 months. Half cup oat, 1/3 cup raisin, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Give a good mix. Scoop the butter and put on a baking tray. Then you can use spoon to make the shape look nicer. After that, we bring to bake at 180 Celsius in 20 to 25 minutes. And this is my result. After baking, we put them on the rack until it's completely cooled down. This is a very quick and easy recipe, right? If you guys like my video, please click like and comment below and subscribe me for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.